What's up, guys? It's Sydney, and this is your 10-minute full body resistance band stretch. So grab your resistance band and let's get to work. Alright guys, welcome to your full body 10-minute resistance band stretch. If you don't have a resistance band, I'm going to link one below. I use the WODFitters resistance bands. They've got about 5 different strengths, so also when you use a resistance band, make sure you have one that is strong enough to support your legs, your arms, okay, the total body. Or if you don't have a resistance band, you can also use a towel, okay? So grab a hand towel or your resistance band and have a seat with me, okay? All right, we're gonna start with the upper body. So I want you to put your legs out straight, double your band up, so folding it in half. I want you to put it behind your arches of your foot, and then I want you to kind of cat back your upper back away from your toes, okay? So push your shoulder blades away, and you're really gonna feel that stretch in your rhomboids, the upper part of your back. 2, 1, and relax, come back forward. Shake it out just a little bit, and exhale, reach your shoulder blades back. Think about your spine getting as far away from your toes as you can in that upper back, okay? The epitome of bad posture right now, right? Arching your upper back. 2, 1, and release, and let's go one more time. Shake it out, grip a little bit closer to your feet now. And exhale, open up your shoulder blades, push your spine back, back, back. Anyone that has tight upper back muscles, you're gonna love this one. And like I said, you can be using a towel for this as well. All right, great job. Release your hands, keep your band doubled up, and I just want you to put it on one foot. Okay, holding on to it with your opposite hand. So if my band is on my right foot, I'm gonna hold on to it with my left hand. I'm gonna pull my head down to the band, okay? What this is gonna stretch is your obliques and your lats, okay? Right on the side of your body. So we're crossing over, pull your head down towards that band. Good, and exhale. Chest is still pretty open here. Good. All right, now I want you to go ahead and fold your chest down towards your knee. Okay, so this will be a little bit more in your lower back. So chest is facing your kneecap. Use that band to pull down. Sometimes it's really hard to stretch your back, so I wanted to give this resistance band, give you an opportunity to use your resistance band to work on that upper back and all the muscles around your spine. Good, okay, go ahead and release. Come back up to center. Give me a little shimmy shake out, and let's go to the other side. Okay, so other leg is out front. This leg is tucked into your thigh. Put that band right back around your foot, holding on to it with both hands, or both sides with one hand. The opposite hand, you're gonna pull, big open chest, your head down to the band. Remember, you're working on the lateral part of your body here, so you should feel it in your obliques, in your lats, in your intercostals a little bit, and those muscles in your ribs. Good, so chest is facing me right now. 2, 1, I want you to come back up to the top. Whew, that one felt good, huh? And then I want you to shift your chest over towards your toe, okay? So facing your knee to your chest. Use that band and pull straight down. Now you should feel it in your lower back, the muscles surrounding your lumbar spine. Okay, these angles in your body at which you pull or which you lean make a big difference, right? Even just a slight tilt of your chest can hit a totally different set of muscles. So make sure if you're stretching on your own, try those angles out. Okay, if you're not feeling it this way, tilt a little here, tilt a little here, and just go to where you need it today for your body. All right, let's keep that band on your foot. And I want you to go ahead and lay back with me, okay? Laying back on your back, Grab onto the band with both hands, and I want you to pull your foot down towards your face, okay? Moving into the hamstrings. There you go. And if you're using the band another way, you can keep it long like this. Make sure it's doubled up around your foot so that you're not accidentally sliding it off your foot and onto your face, okay? So make sure you have that ring around your foot. And go ahead and release. Let's go back one more time. Big pull. There we go. You should be able to pull a little bit farther this time as you've loosened up a little bit. Three, 2, 1, and rest. Okay, we're gonna keep it on this same foot just for, efficiency purposes. Keep your band on that foot, and I want you to take it and roll over onto your stomach, okay? Roll that band over top of your shoulder, and you're gonna pull over your shoulder, your glute, or your heel to your glute. So now we are stretching the quads. Okay, this is a good way to go also if you are someone who's just starting your fitness journey, or if you're not that flexible yet and you can't stand up and just grab onto your shoe. This is a really great way to put that band over your foot, really get into your quad nice and deep. Okay, and if you want a little bit deeper stretch, sit up a little more, pull a little bit higher on the band, and get your heel a little bit more down towards your glute. Keep breathing. 3, 2, 1, and relax, okay? Go ahead and release your band, and let's switch it over to the other foot now, okay? So we're gonna hit the hamstrings on your other side. Still got that loop in your band, okay? Placing it right over your foot. If you don't have the loop, start on the back side of your foot, place it here, wrap it around the front, okay, and then pull it over top of your foot. Easier said than done, right? Just make sure you've got a loop so it doesn't slide off onto you. And let's go ahead and pull that foot down towards your face. Keep your leg nice and straight. And also I want you to pay attention to the leg on the ground. Make sure it is also nice and straight. Okay, if you've got your leg bent here, it's not truly gonna give you that full stretch in your adductor, because this leg is also doing a little stretching here in your quad as you pull that other leg away. Okay, so just make sure that leg is flat, it's totally relaxed. And release. Let's go back one more time. Shake it out, and let's pull. You can work on flexing your toe, relaxing, flexing. Okay, dorsiflexion, plantar flexion. This dorsiflexion, where you pull your toe down towards your knee, will get a really great stretch in your calf as well. All right, good. Shake it out a little bit, and let's flip it over onto your stomach again. Okay, I'll do the not so graceful way so you guys don't have to hear me roll over my mic pack. Okay, roll over onto your stomach, pull that band over your shoulder, and let's get back into the quad on this other leg, okay? Band over your shoulder, pull, and then just relax your upper body down onto the mat. Good, try to get your heel as close to your glute as you can, okay? Keep breathing, exhale. Okay, come up for a second. Big deep exhale, and let's pull a little bit farther on that band. Pull a little bit more over top of your shoulder. Heel is a little closer to your glute. Three, 2, 1, and go ahead and release that band. Straighten your leg out, and let's come on up and work on a little bit of shoulder mobility, okay? Just a couple exercises. All right, so I want you to grip nice and wide on your band. Okay, if you can't go all the way back, don't go all the way back. It's always your level first. Okay, so take your hands up over your head, and I want you to just stretch, open your chest so your hands are reaching back behind your shoulder blades. Okay, if you're not there yet, if you're still up top here, that's fine. Just stay right there, and I want you to work on opening your chest. So where the anterior deltoid ties in with the chest, that's where your focus is right now. Come back up, back down, and let's reach, open that chest. If you're ready to go all the way down, you can. If not, just stay right here. I want you to feel it here, okay? Pulling right across the front of your chest into anterior deltoid, all right? This will be our last stretch today. Just want you to see how you can really get into all the different muscles. It's a full body stretch, okay? So we've got the anterior deltoid, we've got the pec, we had the rhomboids, we had the quads, hamstrings, calves, glutes. Come back up, and let's go one more time. Great job as the clock rolls down to 0. Awesome job today. If you guys have any questions for me regarding this resistance band, I want you to leave them in the comments below. Check in, let me know that you did this stretch and what you thought of it, and if you have any specific areas that you're looking to target with the resistance band. Okay, speaking of resistance band, or speaking of specific areas, I should say, I'm gonna link a foam roller stretch, another 10 minutes right here, so you guys can close it out with getting a little bit more into your fascia with that self-myofascial release. 10-minute full body foam roller stretch. All right, check it out here. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you soon.